Hello friends, welcome to our channel Language Basket. Today in this video, we are going to learn hand gestures. So let's start. Applause. Hi. Hello. Love you. Joy. Surprise. Victory. Gratitude. Heart hands. Hi. Stop. Writing hand. Handshake. Praying hands. Rock on. Strength. Hug. Call me. Thumbs up. Thumbs down. Pointing up. Receiving. Picking up. Raised hand. Good luck. Greet. Fight. Okay hand. Wish to prosper. You. Agree. Stop. Protest. Power. Pinch. Love. Hope. Small amount. Greetings. Questions. Hate. Insult. Pointing left. Pointing right. Pointing down. That's all from this video, guys. Thank you for watching.